We have the garden tour for May 16th, 2024. A little late in the month for a garden tour, but here I am. Kept getting delayed on things. Oddly enough, looks like the red Russian kale may be the winner for survival on the heat. Well, maybe with the exception of a few of these broccoli plants that never sprouted anything. I was a bit surprised to see the Ethiopian kale, go will bolt and die off. I also found out that Molly likes kale. So you should only give it to a dog in small or moderate amounts. And if the dog has kidney or thyroid problems, don't give it to them. And if they have a history of having an issue with kidney stones, also don't give it to them. Otherwise, try it with your dog. Still working on getting these beds prepared, but my radishes are pretty much ready for harvesting these seeds. I get around to doing this, before they open up and dump everywhere. Then I can use these seeds for next season. Got this bed pretty much cleared out and ready to move. Still haven't gotten over to that one yet. Still need to clear out the torpedo grass that's taken over that bed over there. You can't even see the bed. Gotten most of the dead stuff off of this trellis. I was thinking about maybe replacing these garden stakes with rebarb. I'm thinking it might hold up better, especially in the conditions where it's hurricane season like. I won't get really this issue here. But I gotta get around to clearing the rest of this out, and then I can plant my yard long beans. And while I'm here, I gotta get these bags taken care of as well. I want to try and get some jicama going in there. The avocado here is still doing pretty good. I've noticed it been wilting more and more lately. I'm having to water it more. That might be due to needing to up pot it. So that might be a consideration coming up pretty soon here with this guy. I still have the remnants of the okra sitting here. I'm thinking about maybe once I pull all this out, maybe I'll put some more heavy hitter okra right here. I mean, the stuff didn't do too bad right there. This is the burgundy okra that was here. But I got some good seed pods here that are ready to use. So this just needs to be cleaned up a little bit and I'll be ready to go. This katuk seems to have taken a bit of a beating as of late. Looks like something might have actually eaten the leaves some. Not sure what got to it. Plus, I think we had some issues with lack of rain affecting it. What's this here? Move you out of the way. I recently got myself some Snips, and they've been really good for cleaning up these little bits of dead branches are on here. Still got a lot more to do, but these are pretty nice. I just got them. They're good for light work like this stuff here. Not really good for heavier stuff. I mean, a branch like this that's dried would probably not cut through. But if you want to do like fine work, these are definitely the type you have to get. For heavier jobs, I got myself this type. These are also new. Thing I like about these is the spring on this. These are pretty heavy duty for their design. I had already trimmed up the Katuk hook here, and you can see since it's been trimmed up with all the dead stuff off of it, it's actually been bouncing up back pretty well. Same with this one here, not quite as much, but definitely seeing some progress going on with this guy. And my pineapple is looking pretty good. Probably won't get much bigger than this, so it's still a small pineapple. But I've been watering it every day as much as I can, and that seems to be helping with the size a little bit. I'll have to cover that thing up pretty soon so I don't have any raccoons and squirrels eating it before I get to. Well, today is again just a short garden tour, but I hope you enjoyed it. Alright, little post-production addendum here. I found this cool looking guy in my leaf mold bin. This is an eastern eyed click beetle. They have a pretty large territory spanning in most of the US into Canada, even in Mexico. The larvae also goes by the name wireworm. Worms will feed on other insects in the soil that it lives in. They particularly like wood borers. The adults don't really eat much, but they will feed on nectar and plant juices. The eye part of their name comes from those two big spots on their backs on the thorax. And being a click beetle, it snaps its body to try and get away from predators. This particular one was pretty big. He was at least 2 inches long. I just thought he was really cool and wanted to share. I've never seen this particular insect in my garden before. So, there you have it.